What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I want to start off today by saying thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. That really blows my mind. That means the world to me. Let's keep the train rolling forward, hopefully. I want to go ahead and say that I won't be making FedEx content as frequently because I want to center this channel around my dream. That's what the goal of this channel has always been. That's actually the reason why I'm working at FedEx, was to provide for my dream financially. As you know, that car hobbies are pretty expensive. So that's why, I kind of bust ass at FedEx, but I enjoy it. But it's not the goal of this channel. The goal of this channel is to build cars. That's always been my goal for this channel. So I'm gonna be pushing out more and more car content as time goes on. Hopefully you guys are still down to stick around, and that would really mean the world to me as well. So today I've got the Accord. I installed the pre-cat deletes. As you can see right here, cat delete number 1. And it's really hard to see back here, but cat delete number 2, as well as a ATLP JPIPE. So I've installed the RV6 pre-cat deletes and the ATLP JPIPE. Here's the stock pre-cats, and here's the stock JPIPE. And these past few days I've been trying to tune the exhaust to get the sound that I want. It's not quite there yet. I'm still working on it. I'm actually headed to the muffler shop right now so we can get the rest of the exhaust welded on there. This is gonna be my 3rd time there, just trying to get the sound of the exhaust right. But yeah, hopefully we get it right today. If we get it right today, I'll go ahead and upload this video. But yeah, thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. Welcome to the LunatiKz squad if you're new. My name is LJ. I know I haven't given myself a proper introduction, but welcome to the LunatiKz channel. Whenever I installed the JPIPE and pre-cat deletes, I didn't have the 3rd cat connected to the rest of the exhaust, so I was rolling around with half an exhaust. I needed to get the rest welded anyways, so that's why I didn't connect the 3rd cat. So it was crazy loud. I'll include a clip here in a little bit. I'm so scared right now. I feel bad for my neighbors. This doesn't sound like a Honda. It's hilarious. It doesn't sound like I want it. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Right here, I got the battery for the STI because it is dead. I'm gonna go get a new one. Hopefully it's just a battery. I'm praying, dear God, please tell me it's just a battery. But it's loud, it's alright, it sounds okay. It sounds okay, we've got some noise, it sounds okay, but it's not the sound that I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and head out to the muffler shop, see if we can get the exhaust tuned out the right way. I'll see you guys there. So I don't know if you can hear it, but that's how it sounds right now, and I'm not really feeling it. It's kind of uneven, like sometimes you can hear it, sometimes you can't. It's kind of weird, but I'm definitely not feeling the exhaust sound right now, so hopefully we can get it right. It's weird because the exhaust is like quiet, but it's still droning around like 2,500 RPMs. So like what? It's quiet, but it drones, you know? So yeah, the sound kind of makes me want to barf. Alright y'all, it's a new day. I couldn't get any exhaust clips last night because there was way too much traffic, so I couldn't really like move. Pretty loud. It's decent. New battery for the SCI. Turns out the SCI battery had died. Thankfully it was nothing too serious. Now, hope you guys enjoyed the clips of the exhaust, the new exhaust. I might be tweaking it here in the future because it sounds okay. It sounds okay, but it's not the sound that I was looking for. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like the sound or not. All comments welcome. It sounds like it sounds great, whatever. Let me know. Moment of truth. Wish me luck. Thanks again for 10,000 subscribers. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the LunatiKz squad. My name is LJ. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.